We all have it, that little bit of extra padding around our midsection. For some, it's a minor annoyance. For others, it's a constant source of insecurity. But what many people don't realize is that belly fat is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a serious health risk. This is especially true for visceral fat, the type of fat that accumulates around our internal organs. Visceral fat is a silent danger, lurking beneath the surface and wreaking havoc on our bodies. It's like a ticking time bomb, increasing our risk for a range of serious health problems. But don't despair. The good news is that we have the power to fight back. By understanding the enemy and taking proactive steps, we can shrink belly fat and reclaim our health. Not all belly fat is created equal. We have two main types of fat in our abdominal area: subcutaneous fat and visceral fat. Subcutaneous fat is the fat that lies just beneath the skin. It's the type of fat that we can pinch. Visceral fat, on the other hand, lies deep within our abdominal cavity, surrounding our vital organs. Visceral fat is metabolically active, meaning that it releases hormones and other substances that can damage our health. These substances can lead to inflammation, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. In fact, visceral fat is considered to be a more significant health risk than subcutaneous fat, even in individuals who are not considered overweight or obese. So, how do you know if you have too much visceral fat? One of the simplest ways is to measure your waist circumference. To do this, use a measuring tape and measure around your waist, just above your hip bones. Make sure the tape measure is snug but not too tight, and that it's parallel to the floor. For women, a waist circumference of 35 inches or more is considered to be a health risk. For men, a waist circumference of 40 inches or more is a cause for concern. If your waist circumference falls into these ranges, it's important to take steps to reduce your visceral fat. Section 4. A day of detox reclaiming your health, one drink at a time. While long-term lifestyle changes are essential for sustainable weight loss, a short-term detox can kickstart your journey to a healthier you. Here's a simple 24-hour detox plan that focuses on natural, healthy drinks. 10 p.m. Start your detox by hydrating with a glass of water before bed. 8 a.m. Wake up your metabolism with a glass of warm water and lemon juice. Lemon juice aids digestion and can help boost metabolism. 10 a.m. Enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation. 12 p.m. Sip on a cup of green tea. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and has been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning. 1 p.m. Enjoy a refreshing glass of cold carrot juice. Carrots are rich in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing cravings. 3 p.m. Time for your favorite healthy drink. Consider a green smoothie packed with spinach, cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. 5 p.m. Have another healthy drink of your choice. A beetroot and ginger juice is a great option, as beetroot can help lower blood pressure and ginger aids digestion. 9 p.m. Round off your day with a glass of grapefruit juice. Grapefruit is low in calories and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Remember, this detox is most effective when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. And always prioritize whole, natural ingredients and avoid artificial sweeteners, colors, and flavors. Section 5. Your journey to a healthier you starts today. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is a serious health concern. But the good news is that we can take control of our health by making simple changes to our lifestyle. By understanding the dangers of visceral fat, measuring our waist circumference, and making healthier choices, we can shrink belly fat and reduce our risk of chronic diseases. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, and gradually work your way up to bigger ones. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to a healthier, happier you? Smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to live your best life. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only, and is not intended as medical advice. While a short-term detox can be helpful, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional for personalized advice on weight management and overall health. Sustainable weight loss and improved health outcomes are best achieved through long-term lifestyle changes, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity.